thank you. Now, a Channel 3 exclusive.
That my brother did not do anything intentionally to hurt the little girl.
A 2-year-old girl burned so badly she is still in the hospital tonight, and the man in charge of looking after her is behind bars. Eyewitness News was the only station in court, and Channel 3's Matthew Campbell spoke exclusively with the suspect's family. He's live from the apartment complex in Rocky Hill where all of this happened. Matthew.
Well, Dennis, we learned that the suspect here is a father of 2, but the toddler involved is not his child. Now, his family says this was just a very big accident, but they know that because a toddler's life is hanging in the balance, the punishments could be very severe. 27-year-old Michael Davis in court today, head down, facing several charges, all stemming from a horrific tragedy inside the walls of one of these apartments at Century Hills in Rocky Hill. Police say at some point on Saturday, Davis was watching his girlfriend's 2-year-old daughter, and she suffered serious burns. But police say they were called only after the 2-year-old was taken to Connecticut Children's. Police say Davis initially told them she got the burns from an electrical fire, but investigators say that didn't add up because they had no reports of one, and they say it appeared the child got the burns hours earlier. Davis has been charged with arson. The circumstances leading up to what happened remain unclear, and the little girl is too little to tell police what happened.
She got a whole story that she could write on a book, and she can't even talk to tell it, really.
Davis's sisters were just some of the family in court today.
I would never personally think my brother would be capable of doing anything like that, and I honestly, and I could speak for him and anybody, I feel like it was an accident.
Eyewitness News learned Davis does not have a criminal past, but speaking with neighbors off camera, they say police were called to the apartment for a noise disturbance a couple of weeks ago. Accident or not, Davis's family is looking forward to this investigation.
I do want to make sure we get to the bottom of this, because the little girl, you feel me, need justice at the end of the day. Whatever happened, you feel me, whether it was an accident or not, I feel like the truth should be told and everything should be put out there, period.
Now, we just spoke with police, and they tell us they are still investigating and hope to provide more details tomorrow. That is the latest. Live with the mobile newsroom here in Rocky Hill. Matthew Campbell, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
All right.